The last day that we had the school, we had an orchestra rehearsal. On the day that the Taliban entered to the camp, on the 5th, entered the Kabul. It was on the 15th of August. When the orchestra was having one of their rehearsal, and they were getting ready for international tour to begin on October 8th. But when the instruction for evacuation came, the students left the school and everyone went to their homes, and currently some of the students are in their own homes. Some of students went hiding.
همه طفلیت ما اونجا تیر شده، همه روزای خوب ما اونجا تیر شده. هیچ روزی نبوده که اونجا بد بوده باشه، چون همیشه موسیقی بود، پر از رنگ بود مکتب، پر از صداهای زیبا بود. اما حال فعلا آرام و آرامی است و هیچ گپ ده اونجا نیست.